Basics of Statistics, Part 9.
In previous lectures, we covered several statistical approaches, including estimations, correlations, and comparisons. In this lecture, we'll explore the fourth approach, regressions. In statistics, regression is a method used to understand the relationship between two or more variables. It helps predict the value of a dependent variable based on the values of one or more independent variables. Let's start with the simplest form of regression, simple linear regression analysis, where we can predict the value of a continuous dependent variable, in this case blood pressure, based on a continuous independent variable, BMI. Now, as you may recall from Lecture 7, we use a scatter plot to check the correlation between two continuous variables and, if linear, applied Pearsons are to assess its strength and direction. Now that we have a strong linear correlation, we can use the formula of the regression line to predict blood pressure based on BMI. In this formula, B represents the value of y when x equals 0, and M is the slope of the line, indicating how y changes as x increases. Suppose the result of a simple linear regression indicates that blood pressure is 1.98 times BMI plus 65.8. This means that for each unit increase in BMI, the blood pressure is predicted to increase by approximately 1.98 millimeters of mercury. Now, multiple linear regression is an extension of simple linear regression, which models the relationship between a single continuous dependent variable and two or more independent variables, or predictors. And those variables in prediction model can be of any type. The results of multiple regression provide a constant and coefficients for each predictor, which can be used in a formula to estimate blood pressure based on those predictors. In research, the researcher evaluates various models to identify the best fit model, which can be assessed statistically. It should be noted that changing even one variable in the model will alter all the values in the formula. Let's have a quick recap. Linear regression is statistical methods used to predict a continuous dependent variable based on one or more independent variables. The results of linear regression analysis can be summarized in a formula that includes coefficients for each predictor and a constant to predict the dependent variable.
Thank you for watching.